Quick tip, working on a 50 VXL, if you're having starting issues that your forklift won't start before you call a mechanic or a tech out, check to see if they didn't pull the switch. Usually if somebody pulls a switch, they're playing a practical joke on you. If you know that switch, or if you can't get the horn button to go, if the horn doesn't sound, the common problem that people play is that they pull this master switch. The master switch kills all the power to the forklift. If it's off, this isn't off. This is on for power. Like I said, most people, they come and pull the red handle up. This one's kind of stuck. They pull it up and trigger it off, and then you won't be able to start your forklift. Then if you're a mechanic, you can check your wires all the time because it likes to rub on the hood. I got to repair that before I send it back to the customer.